Hi folks, my name's Jeff Rugrock, all things code. Just walking you through the first few drawings of a portfolio of drawings that describe the code in visual format. So these are your PowerPoints, if you will. We're still talking today about nomenclature, which is essentially slang, the slang that plumbers use on the job. We're looking at defined terms from the Ontario Building Code, so that's Division A, Part 1.4. And not all of it's slang, but it is a language on our own that sometimes if you put it into Google, you don't always get what you're looking for. Anyways, so today we're looking at fixture drain, trap, trap arm, and continuous vent. We'll start with fixture drain. This is drawing number 8, by the way. We'll start with fixture drain. It just means the pipe that connects a trap. So it connects the trap, serving a fixture, to another part of the drainage system. So that's pretty easy, I think. So let's just look at that. Well, let's look at what a trap first means. Trap. Trap means a fitting or device that is designed to hold a liquid seal that will prevent the passage of gas but will not materially affect the flow of the liquid. So for the most part, what that means for us is P-trap. So we can draw one of those right here, right now. So there's a P-trap. So trap means a fitting or device designed to hold a liquid seal that will prevent the material passage of gas but will not affect the flow. So let's hold off on that one for a moment and go back to fixture drain. So fixture drain means, let's see if we need some more definitions. Fixture drain means a pipe that connects a trap serving a fixture to another part of the drainage system. So connecting a trap to another. So we'll come back to that other. So this just happens to be the fixture drain. Easy peasy, and this happens to be the trap. Nice. So now let's look at this next one. Trap arm. Trap arm means that portion of the fixture drain, so it's a part of this, between the trap weir and the vent pipe fitting. The weir is just a spillover point. So this would be the weir. That's the point where the water comes down into the trap, up and over, then spills down and carries on down the pipe. Spills over. So in the trap arms, the part of the fixture drain, but it only goes to the vent. So let's take a look at a vent. The one I've chosen, and I could have chosen a number, but the one I've chosen for this drawing was continuous vent. A continuous vent means a vent pipe that is an extension of a vertical section of branch or fixture drain. A vertical section of a fixture drain. This is not a branch. By the way, if you're wondering, we're not really covering this, but a branch is a drain that takes more than one fixture. So, there we go. So now we have a fixture drain that starts here at the weir, comes this way, and then heads down. But where it goes, I do not know. So it starts at the weir. Remember, we're going to come back to this term other. or another, sorry. So a fixture drain is there. But coming back to the continuous vent, the vent is an extension of the vertical section. So if we just extend this vertical section up, there we go. So this is a CV, continuous vent. Nice. But still, what other part of the system might we connect this to? We need another. Well, why don't we just add another fixture in? Remember, a fixture drain connects a trap. That's singular. So if we add another fixture on here, and it doesn't matter what that fixture is, that fixture drain only comes to here. Now we can go back to our trap arm and look at that again. Trap arm means that portion of a fixture drain between the trap weir and the vent pipe. So between the trap weir and the vent pipe. So the fixture drain comes all the way down to this another fixture, but the trap arm itself is just that little portion. And this is the trap arm. Beautiful. There we go. And this is the other. So what fixtures are we going to use here? Well, let's just go with our lavatories, I guess. So this is 1.25 inch lavatory. Actually, we'll do something bigger on the other side. So 1.25 inch lavatory, 1 FU. And then we'll make this a 2-inch siphon jet urinal. And that would be 4 FUs. And we're not talking about back vent yet, but I will add a back vent onto this fixture. And connect the vents up here. So this is a back vent. So a 2-inch siphon jet urinal requires 1.5 inch back vent. And a 1.25 inch lavatory basin requires 1.25 inch continuous vent. Nice. And those vent sizes come from 7571. So make sure you capture all that. And then once you get below here, you get into stack territory. But that gives you a sense. It carries the waste from a single fixture, and that's called a fixture drain. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Anyways, we'll stop with that. And there you go for drawing number 8. Make sure you capture all these terms. I won't do them. So, well, I guess I can do a few of them. So vertical, extension, vent, I've got the vent, got the continuous vent, I got the trap arm, I got the trap, I have the fixture drain. I have connecting a fixture to the other part. Definitely, that's what this part is here. Liquid seal, gas, I have to do those. Weir, I got the weir. So the gas, so the continuous vent. This is full of gases, vent gases. Vent gas. And you're just preventing that to get into here. So the water seal would be from, really from, well, the water seal and trap would be from the spillover point, the weir, down to what's called the dip. So this is the water seal. You might have found this one better to be a two-line drawing, actually. There's your water seal or liquid seal. Sample fixtures, pipe layout. Drafting tools, effective, and all cap letters. There we go. So there you go. There's a little drawing. A little bit extra stuff on there, but like the back vent and whatnot. But it gives you a sense. Of course, this portion of the fixture drain is also part of the stack. And because it has a sanitary unit on it, this is a soil stack. And the largest fixture served, 1.25 inch, 2 inch, is the urinal. So the default minimum size, the DM, would be 2 inch. So keep your eye on that. And I don't know why my trap sizes are so different. They shouldn't be. But anyways, there you go. Drawing number 8 gives you some sense of where to go. We'll do at least one more here before I cut you loose and you can start doing some of your own work. See you soon. Jeff Rugrock, All Things Code.